Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Character.ai. So, without further ado, let's get straight to the video. First, download the Character.ai application on your preferred device. Once you've got it, tap on it to launch it open. The first interface of Character.ai will look like this. To sign up for a new account, tap on Get Started. Go through the information and tap on the next button to continue. On the next page, select one of the Character.ai chatbots and you'll be able to chat with the character. Once you see this information, tap on the sign up button again and tap on the continue button in the pop-up. Here, you can create a new account for Character.ai by choosing one of the applications from the top of the screen, or simply enter an email and create a password for yourself to register via email. I'm going to choose the email option, so let me go ahead and enter a valid email address. Once you type in your email address, make sure to set a strong password on the next field and finally tap on continue. Now, you'll need to verify your email address to continue signing up. Simply go ahead and open up the email inbox that you just registered with. Soon after you open up your inbox, you'll receive an email from Character.ai. Tap it open and then click on Confirm My Account button. Once you confirm your email address, you can now open up Character.ai application. On the next page, set up a username for your account. Type in any name you would want to update for the profile. Now tap on I understand and agree to these policies at the bottom and tap on Join Character.ai button. Soon after you do that, you have successfully signed up and created a new account for Character.ai. You can now go ahead and select a character or create a new character of your own and get started. That was how you can easily sign up for Character.ai account with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.